In this video, I'm going to share with you what I think are some of the best LED headlights for your vehicle sold on Amazon. Now, I've installed some of these on a couple different cars, and I'm going to show you a demonstration on our own Ford Edge, the before and after. This is with its standard headlights. I'm going to change them out to these so you can see the difference in nighttime driving. Now, you can get better lights, but you're going to spend maybe $100 to do both headlights. These are under $50, sold on Amazon. And they're great lights. They install quickly and easily. I'll put a link in the description below how to get these on Amazon. I'm going to open up this box and just kind of show you guys up close what these look like, and then we'll go ahead and I'll show you the demonstration and the difference between the standard stock Ford headlights and these new LEDs. Once you get on Amazon, you're going to want to make sure that you pick out the correct bulbs for your vehicle. And you're going to be able to see it when you purchase these. This is the 9012s, and that's for the Ford Edge. You can see all the different styles of bulbs these come in. Just make sure you pick out the correct one for your vehicle on Amazon. Once you open up the box, you're going to have some zip ties here. Now, some vehicles will use these, some will not. Depending on the vehicle you bought these for, it may not come with these. And you've got a little manual here and the actual light. Well, just a word of advice, I would not touch anywhere on this light with your bare hands. You can touch it if you're wearing latex gloves, but you don't want to get any oils off of your hands and onto your new lights. Now, the only real difference is this long cord, but it's going to have the correct plug for your vehicle. So we'll go ahead and get them installed and show you the difference. Well, here are the standard headlights that come in the Ford Edge. As you can see, not very bright, and they don't really offer much illumination down towards the ditches either. So like if there's an animal coming up out of the ditch, it's not very easy to see. So go ahead and we'll put the new lights in. Hopefully you can tell a difference. So here's the lights shining on my garage door. The one on the right is the new light from Amazon. The one on the left is the factory Ford light. And there's what it looks like with the new headlights installed. I'm going to be taking the same road to show you the demonstration, and this is with the new headlights installed. One nice thing about these headlights, you don't get brights from oncoming traffic. I have installed brighter lights before off Amazon, but a different manufacturer, and oncoming traffic were giving me the bright signals, so they were just plain too bright. These are just perfect. I can see down into the ditches a little better, so if there were deer or raccoons getting ready to run across the road, I'd be able to see them quite a bit better than I did with the old factory headlights. So if you're looking for a good set of headlights for your vehicle that are brighter than what you currently have, but not too bright that oncoming traffic gives you the brights, look no further than Oxitoa LED lights. The instruction manual will tell you exactly how to install your lights. Shouldn't have any issues with them. The link in the description will help you determine how to find them on Amazon. Hope you guys found the video helpful and informative, and thanks for watching.